Hi everyone. Today we're going to be discussing physical changes. What are physical changes? Well, physical changes do not change the identity or chemical makeup of a substance, but they might alter the physical appearance. So when you think of physical changes, you should think of things that do not impact the identity or chemical makeup of a substance. So I'm going to bring up some keywords that you can use to remember or to signal that a physical change is happening instead of what we'll talk about later, a chemical change, which does change identity or chemical makeup. So a physical change might involve ripping, breaking, tearing, or pulverizing something. All these things just change the physical appearance of a substance, but not what the substance is. So let's say I pulverized medicine so it would become a powder instead of a huge block or a pill. That doesn't mean that the medicine is not the same that it was. It just went from being a pill to being just dots or just small parts of that same pill. So it still has its chemical makeup. It still has its healing ability. Ripping. Let's say I ripped a piece of paper and it went from a piece of paper to two pieces of paper or two halves of the same sheet of paper. That just involves changing what you see, but that is still what we call paper, right? So those things involve physically changing something. It is hard to sometimes tell if something is a physical or chemical change, but remember, these are some keywords that can help you, and if you're ever in doubt about what part to call a physical or chemical change, remember that the physical change does not change the identity or chemical makeup of a substance. Okay, so make sure that it changes just the physical appearance or something that does not impact the identity or chemical makeup of that substance.